I sense in your voice, the kind of nervousness that I've sensed in the voice of many people when I call them Tukde Tukde Gang. Repeat after me. Repeat after me the golden words. Tukde Tukde Gang. Point number one. Point number two, why so late? Why so late? Point number three, Sushil. Did I ask you? Did I ask you? I'll puncture your argument with a few sentences. Just wait for a while.
हेलो नमस्कार जय हिंद और सभी भाइयों को जय श्री राम। दोस्तों आज की डिबेट होने वाली है उस देशद्रोही के ऊपर जो अपने आप को लेखक लेखिका ये सब बताते हैं, इंटेलेक्चुअल्स हैं, पढ़ी लिखी जमात है, लेकिन फिर भी हमेशा जब भी अपना मुंह खोलते हैं तो वही वाली बात करते हैं कि भैंस जब जब पूंछ उठाएगी तो गाना तो गाएगी नहीं। ऐसा ही एक नाम है अरुंधति रॉय। ये वैसे तो लेखिका हैं लेकिन अपने बयानों से हमेशा चर्चा में रहती हैं। 2010 के अंदर जो इन्होंने बयान दिया था जो देश के खिलाफ था, संविधान के खिलाफ था। 2020 के अंदर एक कश्मीरी एक्टिविस्ट सुशील पंडित ने इनके खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज कराई थी, जिसमें कि अब एलजी ने आदेश दे दिया कि इन्हें यूएपीए एक्ट लगाओ जो कि टेररिस्ट पे लगता है और इन्हें नापो। इसमें भी एक विंग, खास करके इंडी गठबंधन की एक विंग इनकी सपोर्ट में आ रही है कि यूएपीए एक्ट क्यों लग रहा है। अब लग रहा है, पहले क्यों नहीं लगा। मतलब इन लोगों का तर्क भी इतना नॉनसेंस होता है, इतना बेवकूफ़ों वाला होता है कि अगर पहले नहीं लगा तो आज जो लग रहा है वो गलत है। ये लोग मतलब यार समझ से परे हो जाते हैं और इन पे टिप्पणी करना ही मुझे फालतू लगता है। तो इन टाइम वेस्टर्स पे ज़्यादा टाइम ना वेस्ट करते हुए सीधा डिबेट में चमचों की कुटाई करते हैं जो चमचे इनकी सपोर्ट ले रहे थे। दोस्तों डिबेट वीडियो को एक लाइक ज़रूर दे देना और वीडियो पूरी देखना, आपको बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है। चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन ऑन कर देना।
पिक्चर चालू करो बे।
I sense in your voice, the kind of nervousness that I've sensed in the voice of many people when I call them Tukde Tukde Gang. Repeat after me. Repeat after me the golden words. Tukde Tukde Gang. And Sushil Pandit is joining us live. Sushil Pandit, I have a lead over you. One minute. Sushil Pandit, I first would like to congratulate you for this, what I call partial success against Arundhati Roy. As you know, I had called her views disgusting. Her views are disgusting. And she still carries an Indian passport. I am ashamed that she carries the passport of my great country. She doesn't deserve to. Her citizenship should be taken away. If she feels that my country's map is not correct, if she doesn't believe in the sovereignty of this country, her passport should be taken away. Point number one. Point number two, why so late? Why so late? Point number three, Sushil, did I ask you? Did I ask you? I asked my friend Sushil Pandit. Sushil, what should happen next? It can't be limited to Arundhati alone. Sushil, are you there? I can't get his video. I can't get his audio. Can't hear you. Should I open the lines? Why are you guys looking so stressed, man? It's all right. You see, viewers, the UAPA...
Can I do the honor of Tukde Tukde Gang, Arnab?
Yeah, sure, do.
Tukde Tukde Gang.
Let's get Aarti also. Let's get Sushil also. Gaurav Arya has joined on the debate. Gaurav,
Arnab,
should it start with...
Tukde Gang
Gaurav, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Gaurav,
India.
Gaurav, 1 minute, please. Gaurav, can you be quiet, sir? Gaurav, Arundhati Roy prosecuted under UAPA. Should this be the start, and if so, or what?
No, absolutely, Arnab. It's good. She deserves to be behind bars, and once her sentence is over, throw her out. As you very rightly said, she does not deserve an Indian passport. Dekhiye, there are limits to expression. Tomorrow, if I say stuff which I should not be saying, it will be construed as hate speech.
Yeah.
Right? If I were to say something against a particular community or particular caste, which I will never say in my life, but I'm just giving an example. If I were to say that, people will throw me behind bars because it is hate speech. Why is hate speech against the nation not hate speech? It is not about criticizing the government. There are people, there are YouTubers who keep on criticizing the government every single day on their podcasts, and that's okay. That's okay. But when you work towards breaking up the nation, when you provide intellectual cover fire to Kashmiri terrorists, when you actually support those who are Maoists, then you are an OGW. It's a clear case of being OGW. Sushil Bhai has filed that complaint. I was just going through the report while they were connecting me. Sushil Bhai had filed the FIR, and I'm absolutely in support. Freedom of expression, according to the Constitution of India, it does have reasonable limits. Freedom of expression is not absolutely free. Tomorrow I can't say that I don't like such and such a person, so let there be rioting on the street. I don't like such and such a person, so let's beat him up. That is not how it works. And you know, if you can do it against a community, you'll be in jail. If you do it against a group, you'll be in jail. But if you can keep on abusing your country day in and day out, you can keep on working actively against your country. It's not just criticism of your country, Arnab.
That's right.
That is not what I'm saying. You are
That's
actually working against your country. There should be a case of treason filed against her. इनके ऊपर होना चाहिए सेडिशन की जो भी यूएपीए के इनकी धाराएं लगी हैं उसके ऊपर करके इनको अंदर करिए, निकालिए देश से. वी डोंट नीड पीपल लाइक हर.
मेजर जनरल मेजर गौरव आर्या, आई एग्री विद यू. सुन लीजिए सर, आपको पता है कि ना कि एलजी विनय सक्सेना जी ने रोक रखा है ये सेडिशन implementation or Arundhati.
There's a process. I'm
Why
sorry,
is it
but
not?
you don't understand one thing. One minute. Now that sounds. Can I respond to that? Can I respond to that? A simple answer to that is there is a legal process. Now, Akashdeep, if the legal process takes time, right? Then 1 minute. Allow me, Akashdeep, to complete.
Please don't pull your punches.
Akashdeep, I'll puncture your argument with a few sentences. Just wait for a while.
You can.
The point is the legal process takes time. If you hurry the legal process, then people like you will say that the government has taken over the judicial system of the country. If the judicial process takes time and the government waits for the go-ahead from the courts, Akashdeep, can you be quiet? I can be uncivilized and hit you back really hard, but I'm not being because I'm restraining myself. All that I'm saying is there is a legal process of court process, FIR and approval of prosecution. Now the government has approved the prosecution. The point being, listen to me. Come to the moot point. Do you believe that anyone who says that Kashmir is not an integral part of India and evangelizes that idea in a public forum where she says Azadi is the only way, do you believe that that person should face the law? Is that person carrying out an act of secessionism or not? Is that what is an answer, Gaurav? What is this guy talking like? Give me a proper reply to my question.
गवर्नमेंट से आप पूछने से डर क्यों रहे हो कि ना कि क्यों उसके ऊपर ट्रेडिशन लॉ फाइल नहीं किया गया? जब कोर्ट बोल रहा है, कोर्ट बोल रहा है कि
अरे भैया एक मिनट, गौरव इनको मैं धो डालता हूँ. 2 मिनट, 1 सेकंड. गौरव 1 मिनट. इनकी सामान्य ज्ञान, कैन बी क्वाइट, वॉल्यूम डाउन. आपकी सामान्य ज्ञान कम है. You are a man of limited general knowledge and I want to show people how you have a limited general knowledge with 2 questions. Gentlemen on the right, supporters of Arundhati Roy, let me ask you my first question.
Just do it by lowering my fader.
My first question. I will not. I'll put your fader up instead. I'll put your fader up, yaar. I'll put your fader up. I'm asking him tonight. Which government declared secession as an illegal act? Which government declared secession to be an illegal act? Answer me.
Because they are in central government. You can't be questioning the why? What are you afraid of? किससे डरते हो आप? क्यों डरते हो आप इतना? क्वेश्चन पूछो कि सेडिशन लॉ क्यों नहीं पास किया? क्यों रोक रखा है?
सेडिशन लॉ लाया कौन? सेडिशन लॉ लाया कौन? जवाब दीजिए. बोलिए ने अच्छे से जवाब दीजिए. बोलिए क्यों चुप रहे? क्यों भाग रहे हैं? सवाल से क्यों भाग रहे हैं? सेसेशन को लॉ किसने किया? सेसेशन को अनलॉफुल किसने कहा? नाम लीजिए जिसकी आरती करते रहते आप दिन भर. जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
दोस्तों ताजुब की बात यह है कि इन लोगों की संख्या आज की डेट में बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ती जा रही है और जो तो कहीं ना कहीं ये देखा जाता है ये जो लोग मुंह से जो पत्थरबाजी करते हैं ये फेमस होने के लिए करते हैं क्योंकि देश के खिलाफ या धर्म के खिलाफ कभी भी कोई भी कुछ बोलकर हमेशा फेमस हो ही जाता है और इन लोगों की लिस्ट काफ़ी लंबी है. मेरे को नाम बताने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है और ताजुब तो इन चमचों पर होता है. ये अभी इसलिए कुट रहे हैं, ये अगली डिबेट में फिर किसी न किसी वजह से कुटने आ जाएंगे. बाकी ठीक है, हमारा काम है कूटना, इनका काम है कुटना. कुटते रहो. फिर मिलते हैं एक और डिबेट वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, जय श्री राम.